you're new here, my name is Crystal, and today I want to share one of my favorite recipes with you. I absolutely love this recipe. It's naturally gluten-free, dairy-free, it's healthy, nutritious, packed with protein. It won't leave you bloated, but it tastes amazing. Literally, like, anyone could make this recipe. And it's perfect if you're on the go and you're like going to the park, going hiking, going to the beach, something like that. So without further ado, here's the recipe, and I will be leaving it below as well. If you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, then please like this video and comment below so I know to make more videos like this. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video.